particularly with the yellow car you see behind me. I have to be very, very careful and go at an angle that doesn't hurt anything. And unfortunately, I've made some mistakes, and I just got done getting that stuff repainted. So going up and down the curb today in that car was absolutely great. I can't believe, how easy it is, and I don't have to worry about it anymore. I think that they're very, very easy to work on. I think anybody can push those bolts through those holes and put nuts on there. I think my wife could put it together without a problem. The car you see behind me and another one in the garage are both Boyd Coddington built cars, and he sold fiberglass cars. These are the originals. These cars are both handmade out of steel. I'm sure that eventually, I really don't ever think I want to sell them, but if I ever do, I'm sure they'll end up in a museum. I've been wanting to do something here for so long, it's unbelievable. I didn't know if I was going to build something out of wood, but that would have been kind of haphazard, This is, I know it sounds like I'm really putting on the deal here, but this is really an answer to my dreams here as far as getting up and down this driveway. You found the right guy to test this stuff with, because to build a car and just set it in the garage doesn't do it for me. So I need to drive them. So it'll be nice to be able to drive these cars in and out without worrying about them now.